Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I just love it when summer comes so that I can be outside as much as possible, but something I really worry about is damage to my skin. That's one reason that I'm so happy that I have this rash guard from Platinum Sun. First off, it's long sleeve and high neck, and it protects my skin so well because it's UPF 50. I love the feel of this fabric. It dries quickly and it's really quality. I also love that it has finger holes for my hands so that I can protect the skin on my hands as well, because hands show aging quite a lot. I prefer to wear mine with a one-piece bathing suit and a pair of board shorts, but it really looks cute with just a bikini top and with a pair of bottoms, if that's how you want to wear it. This is perfect for all of your outdoor activities, and especially if you're going to be on a surfboard or something else where you're paddling, it's really going to help to protect your inner arms, your chest, and anywhere else that might come in contact with the board. I think the colors are just beautiful. I love this blue color and the really pretty flower pattern on it. Platinum Sun has a ton of different patterns, so you're sure to find one that is going to be perfect for you. Sometimes rash guards can be difficult to take off when they're wet, but this peeled off really easily, and I like that even when I had it on while it was wet, it didn't feel cold and clammy. If you're looking for a really high quality rash guard that's going to be perfect for every outdoor activity that you want to do, whether that's in the water or just being in the garden or somewhere else where you want to be protected from the sun, I highly recommend these ones from Platinum Sun, and that's my point of view.